Find or read reviews that people are talking of Autel MaxiIM IM608Pro Scanner, key fob programming tool, 2022 upgraded of IM608, 2 years free update. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you choose Autel MaxiIM IM608Pro Scanner. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Top-level IMMO and key FOB programming tool and diagnostic scanner Autel MaxiIM IM608Pro Scan tool integrates functions of the Autel top-level IMMO and key fob programming tool bundle, upgraded from IM508/IM608, and the high-end car key programmer, same as the MaxiIM MS908, bringing you advanced key fob programming, OE-level diagnostics, ECU coding, 35+ services, FCA and SGW. Combined with XP400 Pro, IMKPA kit, G-Box 2 and APB11. Autel IM608 Pro Key Fob tool becomes a perfect scan tool. Ultimate IMMO and Key Programming Tool Bundle is the 2022 newest upgraded version of Autel Scanner IM508/IM608. This Autel Key and IMMO programming package IM608 Pro includes XP400 Pro Key and Chip Programmer, the wireless JVCI J2534 reprogramming tool, G-Box 2. APB112 and the key programming adapter IMKPA kit. The IM608 Pro Key Fob Tool Bundle can do key generation, key/remote learning, read pin/CS, all key lost, backup/restore IMMO data, perform IMMO ECU reset/adaptation/refresh/coding. 400 Pro Advanced All-in-One Key Programmer based on the Autel XP400. XP400 Pro Locksmith Tools has been optimized, making it more powerful and stable than XP400. In addition, this advanced key and chip programmer XP400 Pro Key Programmer can access much more key chip, EEPROM, MCU, and ECU types to read and write key information, as well as other key-related functions. It offers expanded EEPROM functions for more component access, 170+ types odometer component reading functions and more. ECU coding and Maxi Flash JVCI, J2534-1 and -2. E-level all-system diagnosis and bidirectional control. Maintenance services, same as Autel MaxiIM MS908. MaxiCom MK908. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.